We're out cooking Stoneheart. Yeah, look at those veggies all ready to get marinated. We got the marinade. We got the marinade. Well, it's not time to cook. This is for dinner. It's not even 11 a.m. You gotta let the marinade. Do you not know how to cook? You got the marinade set for a few hours so it absorbs everything. Yeah, fried rice of that. Veggie fried rice. We're destroying Stoneheart. She can't even compete with this. I'm on another level. We on another level over here.